You just let your heart decide how I can open your eyes and take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways and under our magic carpet ride. You were fantastic, now that the way up here it's crystal clear. Elephants, llamas galore, bears and lions and breath. So much younger than today, I never needed anybody's help in any way. But now these days are gone, I'm not so self-assured. I know that I changed my mind and opened up that door. Tell me if you can down, and I do appreciate you being around. Help me get my feet back on the ground. Won't you please tell me? So many ways, my independence seems to vanish in haste. And now and then I feel so insecure. I know that I need your life I've never done before. Yeah. Tell me if you can, I'm feeling down. And I do appreciate you being around. Help me get my feet up on the ground. Won't you please, please tell me? What's happening here? You're face to face with greatness and it's strange. You don't even know how you feel. It's adorable. It's nice to see that humans never change. Open your eyes, let's begin. Yes, it's really us. It's Phat Cat now. Breathe it in. I know it's a lot. I have the pause when you're staring at a teddy bear. What can I say except welcome when the time's concerned? Thumbs and pulled up the sky when you were waddling yay high. When the nights got cold, who stole you? Fire from down below. You're looking at him, yo.